Dear friends, we have been doing this 5 days workshop, right? And I want that how do you feel? How did you feel the workshop? If you share something with me, if you wish, you can share.
Opportunity to share about
No,
this
no, it's my
workshop, sir.
pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Sir, actually, though it is only for 5 days, but we could feel that we have attended for so many days. Such a nice interaction with you, sir. Within a short period of time, we could interact very closely and we could express our feelings, the topics you are given, and even the conversation with our colleagues, whoever friends. It was very nice, wonderful session. Even I attended a few more workshops. The same atmosphere here, even more best, I could say it is. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vani.
It's been actually, you're very right that today is the 5th day, but we feel like we are attending this particular session for 5 days, more than 500 days. There is actually 360-degree change. It's a transformation kind of a thing. If you look each and everything very carefully, the workshop is very nice because I've attended so many webinars are actually working where they only speak. They are actually not letting the participants they are not getting the chance to speak. So it is very important for the participants to engage in the topics. And if the other topic is not clear, I don't think so it makes sense. Only the speaker is speaking, it's clear or not, it's okay, fine. But if the participants are actually engaging in any workshop, it is always fruitful. So it is very fruitful workshop, sir, for us. And apart from that, we have also learned a lot. Okay, I been homemaker from last 5 years. It is not something that I was not working. I was working with GE Capital. I worked with Bajaj Capital. I worked very good companies. And then later I worked with the companies like Tamasek Holdings, this Fullerton Securities. No, that is okay. That is something professional I'm talking about. Then I started my own thing, my business. That when I talk about the books and everything, I deal with the clients. The way you deal with others is very important.
Yes.
And sir, your job is something I must say commendable. It is something incredible. And even the sir who was telling about the left brain and the right brain, it is very important how they work. And if it is not working in a proper way, I don't think so. You should generate the ideas. How the ideas are generated. You cannot talk vague where nobody is going to listen to you. They will only listen if you are going to make some point. And if the point is not there in your talk, in talk show or whatever it is, if it is invalid, sir, if it is not logic, nobody wants to listen to that. So everything was designed in such a way. So we actually enjoy it. We actually enjoy it. Personally, I'm telling you, I enjoyed a lot.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Well, that everybody got some chance to speak out. It is important to get chance, and when we get the opportunity to speak, we are able to express our feelings about the class. For example, how I am expressing the how the class was.
Yes, Sanju. So great, Sanju.
I can say that it was excellent because you charged very less amount. No, sir. Just by paying 100 rupees, we are learning from past 5 days, and that too we are learning and you explained about so many different topics like what is individuality, personality, like Nikita said, brain, how brain system is working, everything you explained, and your father came yesterday and he also explained well. So I thought this is like so much. So actually we have to pay more, what we are learning, we have to pay more from what we paid. So, but here we understood everything and we learned so many new things. Actually, I can say that I learned new things. I learned new things. And also, and we got a new friends here. Everyone is very supportive and they have their individuality. Everyone is having their individuality, right? So from Nikita also we learned so much, from Vani also we learned so much. So it is so nice, sir. It was great session. Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Sir, I agree with all those who speak now, who spoke now. and I learned many things in these sessions. And I also agreed that many webinars will not allow to speak the audience. You are allowed, and we shared the opinions.
You all are my friend. Why should I not allow you?
Cover all the points, and my one of my most important, I have only 2 points to say, that this is a very, very, very motivational workshop.
Yes,
That's mean, we don't everybody want to speak fluent in English, okay, but motivational means what is the positive sign within ourselves. We cannot judge ourselves. We cannot have so much time to judge ourselves. We don't have me time. We will spend the workshop as a me time. We will spend we meet lots of friends. We get positivity. We get motivational words. How we encourage ourselves to speak in English. How we encourage ourselves. How we overcome our fear. This process, this is very motivational workshop, very, very motivational, and we all know each other, and we all groom our inner talent or inner sense. How can we encourage ourselves?
When I attend this class, you boost that courage to talk what you feel. And the way you are connecting with us, that is very tremendous, sir. I must appreciate that, because you took all the students. We are your students, not a friend. I know.
No, you all are
treat
my
like
friend.
a family.
I also learned a lot of things. I have learned a lot of
that
things
is your
from you.
goodness, sir. You treat us like a friend and family members. But we learn from you that you are our guru. So thank you so much, all that things, sir. Thank you so much for that.